Amidst the endless fields of barley, nestled between two rolling hills, stood the quaint village of Solmora. Known for its constantly cheerful residents, Solmora had a seemingly perfect environment, bathed in plentiful sunlight throughout the year. However, beneath this veneer of happiness lay a curious mystery that intrigued researchers and visitors alike. The origin of Solmora's affable nature was attributed to the village's perpetual sunlight exposure. From dawn till dusk, sunlight cascaded over their lands, impacting everything from crop growth to the villagers' disposition. Yet, it wasn't until the arrival of Dr. Elara Finch, an inquisitive and astute researcher of human behavior, that the true effects of such exposure began to be understood. Dr. Finch, carrying her notebooks and spectacles, was determined to uncover the relationship between sunlight and the villagers' temperament. Her observations spanned the rhythm of their daily lives. She noted how the sunlight regulated the villagers' sleep patterns, energy levels, and even their interpersonal relationships. Families who basked in their sunlit courtyards seemed more harmonious, while the elderly sat outside in the sun, exchanging stories and laughter, their spirits inexplicably buoyant. Intrigued by these observations, Dr. Finch conducted experiments to quantify the sunlight's impact. She measured serotonin levels, linked to happiness, among villagers who spent varying hours outdoors. Her findings revealed a striking correlation. Those with more sunlight exposure had elevated serotonin levels, indicating a biological basis for their happiness. As the months turned into years, Dr. Finch shared her research with the world, sparking discussions on the importance of natural light in urban planning and lifestyle choices. Her work underscored an often overlooked element of well-being and inspired cities globally to incorporate sunlight-friendly designs. Through her findings, Solmora not only gained recognition but also became a beacon of enlightenment, reminding the world of the subtle yet profound impact of letting the sun shine into their lives. The story of Solmora, with its cheerful disposition forged under the golden glow of the sun, lingered as a testament to nature's gentle touch upon human happiness.